So, say hey everybody.
Hey, hey.
What up? Yeah.
Me with my legs open.
We're in Aaronville, and we're under severe thunderstorm warning. Lenny is laughing at me.
Yeah.
Well,
Lauren.
Lauren was sitting with her legs wide open while she introduced herself.
Hey, girls.
Yeah.
I'll figure this on Facebook though.
Oh,
It's gonna be
gosh.
out for the whole world to see.
Legit. We're kind of waiting for some lightning for you guys to see, maybe, because it's been kind of sweet. You can kind of hear the thunder in the background. Still a little scary for me, but that's okay. It's calm. We're at the Housing Authority building. Over there is the gym that we've been doing day camp at. Ooh, lightning. A little bit. And thunder. And the girls think, and I think, that it's probably because we were supposed to be praying more than we were supposed to be campusing at this time. So, yeah, we're about to pray a little bit for Aaronville and for the evening program, and yeah, I'm probably gonna text Nate and let him know that we're not canvassing out in the storm because our hair was standing on end.
Was it really?
No, it wasn't really.
We were checking ours, but we had a plane house, so it's kind of hard to tell.
Yeah.
I was kind of waiting for like a tingling feeling, but there was a fear there, so it was kind of hard to tell.
Somebody walking up to the Housing Authority building. I don't know who it is.
Wow, you like video? You can see the difference in the clouds more on there.
Yeah, I know.
Makes it look more legit.
It's kind of creepy. Just a little bit.
Which would be a good vantage point to like watch the storm.
The Housing Authority is closed, sir.
What's that sign say right there? Does it say closed?
Closed.
Well, dang it.
Ooh, I think he's looking inside, hoping that maybe the sign lies.
There's somebody in there? Even
Sir?
though the sign says closed, I'm wondering if it's open.
Maybe it just likes to read signs.
I think people
Perhaps.
are retarded sometimes.
I think
Riri.
First has a headache coming on.
This is on
Riri.
video.
Yeah, this is all on video.
Congratulations, guys. You're some missionaries. We have video of you making fun of people who might not be able to read. Congrats.
Do you see how old this guy is?
Maybe he's taking GED classes. You don't know his life. I thought that sign said open.
Rebecca.
Like the Jesus voice on the Spinach 21.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. Jesus, I thought you were our friend.
I am your friend, Peter. I just don't have time for you.
Oh.
With a sweat stain.
Blah. It's closed, sir. It's closed.
Oh.
Ding dong. Yep. Light bulb. It's closed.
Allison, what do you have to say about this one? Can we make fun of him because he has a job?
Just watch his
Okay,
face.
yeah, make fun of him.
Is it closed? Or is it
Everything
open?
we're saying probably. What if he has hearing aids and he can't everything we're saying?
Ooh, did you see that lightning, ladies and gentlemen? Boom.
Ever.
Light bulb. There we go. Good boy.
Maybe the lightning was like his light bulb moment.
UPS socks. I've never seen their socks. What?
Ding dong.
They have logos on the socks.
I want some UPS socks. What say you, Caitlin?
I think we should start praying.
Me too.
Instead of making fun of people.
Maybe. Still rumbling. That's good to end on.